Hey everyone, so I just checked my mailbox and sorry about that. By the ways, I got two packages in my mailbox today. So the first package is actually a trade package from Rainbow Bullets or maybe Retarded Vampire Cats. So I'm just gonna open this first. So yeah, I really hope that I don't cut anything inside. Okay, I don't think I will. Wee. Okay. Oh my gosh. Um, Merry Christmas. Okay, I'll just show you the trade items. I guess this is the trade item. Oh yes. It's this bun. And yeah, so that's the trade item, and I guess others are the extras. So this is the extra. And it's these French fries eraser. So it's really, really cute. And she also gave me these Minnie Mouse squishy as an extra, and I got the jumbo one, but mine is like super duper defected. As you can see here, so this is the jumbo one, but this is like so defected. So yeah, I also decorated. So yeah, so this is an extra from her. So thank you so much for this. It's so squishy and have some defects. And I'm wondering what's inside here, so I'm just gonna open it up. Okay. Ooh, I saw candies. My goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, give me a second. I got these like Fruit Plus candies. I love this flavor, especially orange, like, you know. So she gave me 3 Fruit Plus candies, and these are this charms. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And I guess this is actually a Christmas present. Oh my gosh, my name is here. It's actually an envelope, and there's these like, oh my gosh, the lightning so bad. Lightning. I don't know. Okay, anyways, this is like a cake. A lemon cake. Whoa, it's like so textured, and yeah, it's really, really pretty. And look, that's a keychain. I'm gonna hang this on my phone. But yeah, thank you so much for this. It's so pretty. My goodness. Okay, and thank you so much for trading. So yeah, that's the first package that I received in my mailbox. I'm just gonna put everything aside. Okay, and then next I got this purchase package from a blog shop. So she actually paid 80 cents. So I'm just going to open that. Alright. Okay. This is my purchase item. So she wrapped it in this bubble wrap. Okay, I need to cut it open. Oops. It's so difficult to open. Okay. Yay. Okay, so this is my purchase item. So I got these chopper type melon bun, and it's very, very squishy. Oh my gosh. And I guess this is actually a Christmas present, or probably a extra, like, yeah, some extras. Let's open it. Ah, so hard to open. Okay. Alright, she gave me these jumbo, like it's a really huge strawberry pouch with these ball chain, and this is how it looks like inside with these. I don't know what's that. Oh my gosh, the cat squeeze toy. She gave it to me. My goodness. OMG. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. It's like, you know, the cat can, the poop is at the back. Oh my gosh. This is so amazing. And here's the pamphlet. I'm so happy. So they got all of these designs, and yeah. Oh my gosh, I really love this. It's so cute. Look at the poop. Wait, poop. Ew. Okay, so that's all that I received in my mailbox, and I'm really happy because of these. Goodness. I'm gonna thank her. And also, thank you so much for the charm. I really love it. Okay, anyway, so that's all I got in my mailbox, and I'm really happy. So, I guess that's it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.